Alright, today we're going to be playing Blizzard by autonick. This map is definitely worth the epic rating. I can definitely see why. The gameplay is good, the decoration is good, flow is good. There's one timing and maybe a couple bit of choke points, but I mean, no map is perfect, so I'm going to give it to them. And plus, almost all of the choke points are early on, and that's great. I really hope I do not, I really hope the end screen goes from 81 to 100, because that's going to be bad if it turns out there's more after the end screen, like with what happened in Nintendo, except I don't think I'm going to be able to, fluke that. No, that's the one you're supposed to time at 11. That blue orb is the only timing you need to do. There are some, like, jump indicators that are missing, but that's okay. Most maps at this difficulty don't really need jump indicators. And also, it's still fun without jump indicators, because it's probably going to be easier to learn. It's just easy to learn with jump indicators. What was that? Oh, whatever, it's a bug. Probably from... No, it's probably not from 2.2, because 2.2, even though it affected, even though it gave us the bypass, it was only slopes, and there's no slopes. And I'm not surprised that it has to be it's really difficult, but like, I know it's an XL, and I don't really like XLs that much, but it's still fun, even though that kind of messes a lot of the stuff up. This is going to be my final map I beat before I reach the top 50 in the PAX overlap, because this is 400 points and I need 200 points to go to become in the top 50. I don't know who I'm replacing for the top 50. Because I can't run PAX overlap, so it's probably gonna be someone like maybe it's Rob the King, because he does seem like that's someone I think would, unless Rob the King's in the top 25, I'm not sure. He's like in the low top 20s for most of the packs, so I'm assuming that he is in the like lower area. Come on, stop dying there. I don't know who it would be, because I was just halfway through June, I was like 60th, and now I am about to be 50th, which is nice, I guess. But at the same time, it's because I submitted so many maps trying to reach 1,000. I still haven't uploaded them all, but like, it's still great. Still great to see. Stop dying there. It's still great to actually be in the top 50 soon, because I am beating this, and I am going to be in the top 50 for PAX overlap, and that means that I will have 25 more places to go up to actually end up reaching top 25. It's gonna take a long time, like a really long time, full of map grinding, because I'm not gonna be beating 2 lemons every single day. That's ridiculous. I can't keep up with that. Oh, they disappear. The jump indicators disappear. I didn't know that. I think it's specifically for practice though. So yeah, I guess that works. All right, we're at the drop now already. Oh, there are jump indicators there. It's been quite a bit since I've seen invisible jump indicators. Actually, no. I haven't seen invisible jump indicators. Like the first time I saw invisible jump indicators, it was probably like 2 months ago, and now I see them everywhere. Alright, I'm in the 30s now. This map is kind of long. You don't click that orb. You do click that. You do click this orb, you click that orb. There's just one fake blue orb. You don't click that. I mean, you can, but like, Why would you? You don't have to, so you don't need to click that either. Alright, there are jump indicators there, that's helpful a bit. Now this map is definitely deserving of a weekly, so I'm glad it got a weekly. There's really not that much epics that do end up getting weeklies, so I'm kind of glad this did. It's not the current weekly, it was a past weekly. No, I think it's a robot. So I just choked, I reached 70 and I choked. No. No. Well, that means I can do it. Which is great. It's nice. And yeah, that means I'm now officially in 50th place. Because if you go past 50 and you submit it, you're technically gain points. And since this is in 4 different packs, means I get 70 plus times 4, not plus. Yeah, that's enough. That's over 200 points. Because if you get 50 on this with 4 different packs, you reach 200. So I am in the top 50 now. I am officially in the top 50 now. I could submit this ranking right now and say I'm in the top 50, but I just want to get that extra 150 points. Because who knows, I might become 49th after that. I might reach something that starts with a 4. And no, not just 4. That's going to be impossible for me to do. Because the people in the top 5 have all beaten plenty of insanes and extremes, and I have not beaten a single one. I mean, soon I might. I'm specifically beating easier lemons so I can get onto the leaderboards easier. Not on packs overlap though. Packs overlap is going to be a pain to get onto because I'm only in 50th now, and I don't know how many points it's going to take me to reach the top 25. So I do know that a lot of them don't like post results anymore. So I'm one of the few players that actually does submit for packs specifically, so that's great. That means that there's a higher chance I end up getting into the top 25 than a year ago, because most people have like quit and stuff, because you can only like play Geometry Dash for so long before getting demotivated. And oh wait, there's more. Just this section left, and then I will have beaten this map, or at least I will think I have beaten this map. And yep, I believe I have beaten this map. If there's another... Oh, there is more. There is more. Can I fluke it? I mean, I haven't fluked it, because I ended up reaching 70, but... Oh, come on. No. No. I'm not surprised I died there. I am not surprised I died there at all. Mini wave. Those always get me. Well, I did not pull up a Nintendo just like I said. I do think I can. I do think I can be able to beat that the second time though, because I actually am gonna be prepared. Come on, why couldn't that have just been an end screen? I guess this is why you should practice fully to the end, but I don't like that for some reason. Although if you think the end screen starts at 80 something or before, there is obviously going to be something more. It's just I played a lot of maps that had really long end screens, so I didn't want to wait all the way through, so I just keep doing this. Lesson learned. I'm never doing that again. If the end screen's at like 95, it's obviously gonna be like just 5% more of end screen. Oh, come on, I did it again. Nice, I did it. I'm in the top 50 now. Yes! Alright. That took me 58 attempts. That's not that much. Because this is an exile map, so they usually don't take as much attempts unless it's no lead travel. But it's because I have a bunch of old attempts on it. I liked it. Really good.